If you're a student, you know the struggle. It's 3 a.m., your desk is buried in notebooks, and deadlines are looming. What if you could study smarter, finish faster, and even enjoy it a bit? No, it's not magic or bribing the library, it's AI. Today, we're exploring 5 free AI tools every student must use to boost grades, save time, and stay sane. Let's set the stage. AI isn't just for tech geniuses or programmers who talk in code and drink way too much coffee. These tools are designed for students, yes. Even for you who want to turn their study sessions from, "Oh no, what am I even doing?" to "Wow, I actually get this now." Whether you're juggling essays, struggling with research, or trying to remember the quadratic formula, AI is here to make life easier, faster, and a lot less stressful. And the best part? You don't need to know a single line of code. Let's start with tool number 5, Notion AI. Imagine all your scattered notes, deadlines, and projects magically organized in one place. That's Notion AI for you. It's like having a personal assistant who doesn't judge your procrastination habits and reminds you of deadlines before they become full-blown panic situations. With customizable templates, note summaries, and task management features, Notion AI keeps everything organized and accessible. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife for students. It does a bit of everything from project planning to class notes. If you've ever found yourself frantically flipping through notebooks wondering where that one note went, Notion AI is your new best friend. It even allows you to link related notes together, making your study workflow feel smoother than ever. Moving on to number 4, Quillbot. Writing assignments can be tricky, especially when you're trying to express complicated ideas without sounding like a robot. Quillbot is your AI-powered language coach. It can rephrase sentences for clarity, condense long articles into digestible summaries, and even help avoid accidental plagiarism. Essentially, Quillbot makes your writing cleaner, smarter, and easier to read. Imagine having a friendly editor who doesn't roll their eyes at your awkward phrasing and actually improves it. Quillbot is especially handy when deadlines loom large, and your brain is saying, "Words? Anyone?" It even offers multiple writing modes, so you can choose between formal, simple, or creative styles depending on the assignment. Next, tool number 3, Grammarly. We've all had that nightmare moment. Hitting submit on an essay, only to notice the red squiggly lines of doom across every paragraph. Grammarly swoops in like a superhero with a keyboard. It checks grammar, punctuation, and style while suggesting improvements to make your writing more concise and professional. Grammarly is like having a mentor who patiently fixes your mistakes without ever sighing or saying, "I told you so." From essays to emails, Grammarly ensures your writing sounds polished and intelligent, even if your brain is running on 3 hours of sleep and a questionable cup of coffee. Plus, its tone detector ensures your work matches the mood you want: academic, casual, or persuasive, so your writing always lands the way you intend. Number 2 on our list is Google Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is your research powerhouse. Ever tried reading through a 50-page journal article at 11 p.m. and thought, "Why is this even written in English?" Google Gemini 2.5 Pro can process complex information, summarize research papers, and provide insights quickly. It's perfect for assignments that require deep research, saving you countless hours of flipping through papers and struggling to make sense of dense academic language. Gemini doesn't just give you information, it gives you clarity, making you look like a research wizard without the stress of endless note-taking. It can even highlight key points and generate summaries so you can focus on understanding instead of just copying. And finally, the number 1 tool, ChatGPT GPT-5. If AI had a celebrity ambassador, this would be it. ChatGPT is like a personal tutor, study buddy, and brainstorming partner all rolled into one. You can ask it to explain complex concepts, generate essay ideas, or even help draft entire paragraphs. Imagine staring at a blank page, deadline looming, caffeine running low, and then typing, "Help me write an essay on climate change." Within seconds, ChatGPT provides you with a structured, coherent starting point, turning panic into productivity. It's powerful, fast, and, most importantly, human-like in the way it interacts with you, making studying feel less like a chore and more like collaboration. You can even ask it follow-up questions or for examples until everything finally clicks in your brain. So how do you use these tools effectively? The secret is integration. Use Notion AI to organize all your tasks, Quillbot to refine your writing, Grammarly to polish it, Google Gemini 2.5 Pro to speed up research, and ChatGPT to brainstorm or clarify complex topics. By combining these tools, you create a seamless workflow that saves time, reduces stress, and improves results. Think of it as assembling your own team of superhero AIs, each with a unique power, working together to help you succeed. Let's add a sprinkle of humor because learning doesn't have to be all serious. Picture yourself asking ChatGPT for help with a Shakespeare essay, and it responds with, "To be or not to be? Let me explain." Or using Quillbot to paraphrase a paragraph, and it turns into something that sounds so eloquent you momentarily question if it's your writing at all. These little moments of amusement keep studying engaging, make retention easier, and reduce stress in ways a caffeine-fueled all-nighter never could. Now, why are these tools so game-changing? Beyond just saving time, they enhance comprehension, boost writing quality, and improve organization. They allow you to tackle tasks efficiently while freeing up mental bandwidth to focus on understanding and applying concepts. Plus, they provide real-time feedback and assistance, which is invaluable when studying alone or preparing for exams. By embracing AI tools, you're not just automating tasks, you're learning smarter, faster, and more effectively. However, it's crucial to remember that AI isn't a magic wand. It's a tool, not a replacement for your brain. Ethical use is key. Think of AI as a supercharged study partner. It guides, suggests, and assists, but the final work, the understanding, and the critical thinking must come from you. Over-relying on AI won't help you learn, but using it strategically will make you more capable, efficient, and confident in your academic abilities. The benefits are tangible. Students who actively use AI tools report saving hours of study time, better retention of material, and higher quality work. Imagine finishing your homework with time left over for a hobby, catching up on sleep, or just binge-watching a show guilt-free. And unlike a sleep-deprived cram session, AI ensures that your learning sticks and doesn't just vanish after an all-nighter. By now, you're probably thinking, okay, but is this really free? The answer is yes. Most of these tools have robust free versions, which are more than enough to give you a serious academic edge. OpenAI's ChatGPT GPT-5 model, Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, Grammarly, Quillbot, and Notion AI all offer free tiers that provide substantial functionality, and they're easily accessible to students anywhere. Using these tools responsibly and consistently can make a massive difference in your academic performance. Let's close with a few tips for maximizing these tools. First, consistency is key. Make them a regular part of your study routine. Next, combine the tools. Use each one for its specific strength to create a workflow that saves time and enhances learning. Stay updated with new features to ensure you're getting the most out of the software. And finally, share your experiences and insights with peers. Discussing strategies often leads to discovering new ways to use these tools effectively. In conclusion, the future of learning is here, and it's powered by AI. By integrating Notion AI, Quillbot, Grammarly, Google Gemini 2.5 Pro, and ChatGPT into your academic life, you can streamline your workflow, improve comprehension, and produce higher quality work with less stress. These tools aren't here to replace you. They're here to amplify your abilities, making studying smarter, faster, and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this video, take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. Trust me, your future self, probably sipping coffee while effortlessly completing assignments at 2 a.m., will thank you.